It took me 2 years to find two pre-used RX series factory fitted silencers, one of 100 and the other of 135. I am thankful to all my viewers for the overwhelming response you all gave on my video of RX series silencers. If you are new to my channel, then please subscribe and go to that video to find how to identify a genuine RX100 6-hole silencer. I have given the link in the description box of this video. There were many questions raised in the comment section. The most common question I came across was that how many holes are there in the baffle of a 135 silencer? The simple answer to this question is that there is no such hole in the baffle of a 135 silencer. I got both 100 and 135 silencers reworked and restored for further use. It's time now to check the sound differences of these reworked silencers. I am getting it installed in my RX100 and marking the sound differences to make you enthusiasts experience the same. This is your friend Danish Barkati signing off.